Can we opt out of conventional healthcare and conventional healthcare insurance? Let me tell you what I mean by that. Think of it. The people around us are being prescribed new drugs that often cost as much as $3,000 to $20,000 per month. We have healthcare insurance premiums that are skyrocketing, and costs are not being restrained. In fact, some costs are growing faster than ever, such as specialty drugs, growing at 26% per year recently. Now, here's the question I pose. What if you and I engaged in the program like the Undoctored program, that is the program based on my new book, Undoctored, Why Healthcare Has Failed You and How You Can Become Smarter Than Your Doctor, and you enjoy magnificent health, you and your family. You feel great, you look great, you don't have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, acid reflux, fibromyalgia, joint pain, and you don't take any of the drugs for any of those things and don't develop the complications of those drugs down the road. Will you enjoy a level of health, functioning, and appearance other people won't have? But the people around you who are prescribed those expensive drugs, who go to the doctor and engage in very costly health care, those costs are borne by you. You share in the burden of those costs. So of the 5% of people who end up taking some of those specialty drugs at $3,000, $7,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month, even though you're not taking it, you share in the cost. You subsidize their healthcare, their excessive healthcare costs. What if we could devise a means to opt out of that process? What if we collaborated, coordinated a process where, because we are healthier, we can prove it, that we don't take those fancy, expensive drugs. We don't need it. We're not exposed to the excessive costs of the complications of those drugs, nor of health care. And we just go about our business, not having to see the doctor very much at all, not going to the hospital very much at all, not taking expensive drugs. What if we could join forces and opt out of conventional healthcare and healthcare insurance? That is among the long-term goals of the Undoctored project, to help us craft a process where we no longer have to pay $1,500, $2,000 a month for healthcare insurance and an $8,000 deductible, but maybe pay only $200 or $300 a month and maybe a $500 deductible or something like that. Wouldn't that be great if we could opt out of participating in that awful conventional system? Well, I don't have all the answers for you right now. It's something we'll work towards and talk about and discuss in coming months and years. But there are two things I'd ask you to do to help us get there. One is to provide your data, because we need the data to prove this process works on a large scale. In the new Undoctored Connect website. This is the end of June 2017, and we are soon going to launch the new Undoctored Connect website. I'll announce that on social media. Part of the Undoctored Connect website is for you to enter your data, basic data, blood pressure, weight, waist size, what drugs you take, and some of the symptoms you have. At the start, day 30, 60, 90, 180, and we're going to collect that data, anonymously of course, and then report that data and analyze it. And we'll show it to interested parties, the U.S. government, healthcare insurers, because we'd like to show that on a large scale, people can reclaim health, and it's virtually free and very effective. So please, when I announce that the Undoctored Connect website is up and operational, I invite you to enter your data. It's all anonymous. We don't want to know who you are. We don't want to know where you live. We just want the collective data. Also know that the Undoctored Inner Circle, it's a membership site for a fee. Some of those fees are going to go towards the development of this project to opt out of conventional healthcare. It also gives you a ringside seat, kind of a board of directors seat, on crafting how and what this looks like over time, because you'll have a say in the many conversations that lead us down this path. So if you want to be part of this process, think about joining us in the conversations in the Undoctored Inner Circle. So my vision is to help us find a path that allows you to not have to participate in subsidizing other people's awful health and health care. Now you can enjoy the fruits of being healthy. You and your family can, by saving money as well as enjoying extravagant and magnificent health.